What if I told you oceans hold vibrant, living cities? These incredible structures face an uncertain, critical future. Coral reefs are Earth's spectacular, vibrant underwater metropolises. They support 25% of all marine life. Millions of species call these biodiverse ecosystems home. From tiny polyps to massive whale sharks, life thrives. But these crucial habitats are rapidly disappearing globally. Can we secure their survival for generations to come? Corals are animals, not rocks, forming vast colonies. They build enormous structures using calcium carbonate skeletons. Symbiotic algae, zooxanthellae, provide corals their vibrant colors. These algae also supply essential nutrients through photosynthesis. Reefs protect coastlines and fuel global fishing economies. Today, reefs face unprecedented threats from human activity. Climate change is warming oceans at an alarming rate. Ocean acidification dissolves coral skeletons, weakening structures. This occurs as oceans absorb excess atmospheric carbon dioxide. Pollution from land also chokes these delicate environments. Rising temperatures cause widespread, devastating coral bleaching events. Corals expel their essential algae, turning stark white. Without algae, corals starve, often leading to death. The Great Barrier Reef saw massive bleaching in 2016. More severe events followed in 2017, 2020, and 2024. Scientists are developing innovative solutions to aid recovery. Coral gardening involves growing corals in underwater nurseries. Organizations like the Coral Restoration Foundation lead efforts. Divers then outplant these healthy corals onto damaged reefs. Microfragmentation speeds up coral growth by 50 times. This technique helps rebuild reef structures more quickly. Groundbreaking genetic research offers another beacon of hope. Scientists identify heat-resistant supercorals in laboratories. Dr. Ruth Gates pioneered work on assisted coral evolution. This involves breeding resilient corals for future outplanting projects. Such efforts could create more adaptable, climate-ready reefs. Understanding coral genetics is key to long-term survival. The future of coral reefs hinges on global action. Reducing carbon emissions remains the most crucial step. Local conservation efforts also play a vital role. Marine protected areas safeguard critical, fragile reef habitats. Individual choices impact ocean health more than you think. Our collective commitment will define these ecosystems' destiny. Coral reefs are irreplaceable natural wonders needing protection. Their stunning beauty and biodiversity enrich our entire planet. Supporting conservation efforts helps preserve Earth's ocean cities. Want to learn more? Subscribe and join our community.